Hi everyone. So today I have with me Asif. Asif is a brilliant candidate, 10 plus years of experience in online industry, but unfortunately due to COVID, Asif was having some challenges with his job, so he wanted to bounce back to a better role, better salary, better function. And I think within a short span of 1.5 month of using the workshop, the job hunting workshop, Asif has cracked a massive job. So I would let Asif speak about it. So Asif, what do you think? What really worked out for you in the workshop?
Sir, first of all, thank you so much for everything. And because of you, I can say, because of your support, I have, landed a new job. I mean,
Excellent.
throughout workshop, I have learned lots of things, but I would like to summarize in three parts, basically.
Okay.
Like, in the first part, it has boosted my confidence and uh, and belief in myself. Like, to face any interview or for to speak to anyone. For basically to grab job. So
Okay.
that has become one of the most important thing that I have learned uh, through this classes. And secondly, the concept of video resume that you taught us, and the step by step approach of video resume was awesome.
Okay.
And the most importantly, it I mean I didn't and I could learn how to make video resume. Apart from that, most importantly, I have learned how to face any interview through video call, or how to speak, how to face anyone through online. So that is game changing for me, because that will be helpful throughout my career, because nowadays everything is online. So that was
Yeah.
game changing part. And third most important part, like the way we have taught us how to uh, search job through reference and social media. That was fantastic, because I used to search, and if, in fact everyone used to search job through reference and uh, like professional manner or in the personal context. But that we I even if I talk about my experience, I never got such kind of result that I was expecting. But after attending your class, I mean these classes, I have learned how to approach people in the right manner, and in the very short period, short time, how to approach maximum people in my network, and apart from network, other people who are in my uh, close to my network, that I can
Excellent.
say.
Excellent. So basically what you are saying, Asif, that it boosted your confidence. Second, video resume concept worked out
Mhm.
really well for you, not
Yeah.
just in terms of resume, but also, in giving you that confidence how to face interviews on
Yep.
video calls,
Yep.
etc. And
Yep.
third, you were able to activate your referral network, right?
And sir, and most importantly, sir, because of the reference approach, I have landed my new job, which I
Excellent, excellent. So you got it through reference.
yes,
Excellent,
definitely.
excellent, excellent. So Asif, it's how long you have been in the workshop, and if you could share a little on that.
See, sir, I enrolled workshop around 2.5 months back.
Okay,
But due to some personal reasons, personal problem, I could not start working on it. So I started working around 1 month back.
okay,
And things started changing a lot after attending the after working on it. After taking action on it accordingly. So
okay.
the way of you have told about the mindset and everything. So it took around 1 month to land my new job.
Excellent, excellent. So what would be your message to the job seekers, to the members of the workshop, and people who are looking for a new job?
My message will be, sir, trust me, this is the best. If suppose if anyone is looking for job, for new job, or for wants to change their job, and even they are willing to boost their confidence, then definitely this is the best and right platform for anyone to learn a new job, because everything you taught us has been practical. Because nowadays there are many theoretical classes are there, but in this class I know the specific thing is that important thing is it has been practical one.
Okay,
So
okay.
this is the something like magical. It's not magic, but it's something like magical, because the results are outstanding and magic.
Excellent, excellent. So I'll not say it's a magic, but yeah, I mean, it's a step by step approach, but at the end of the day, Asif, see, there are so many members in the workshop and lot many are getting results. But at the end of the day, it all depends on people like you who are true learners and, who take actions, because until unless somebody take action, nothing will gonna work out. But yes, if you take actions, then this approach can actually yield results. And you are a true example of that. So Asif, I'll like to thank you for coming on this video, for this message for the other people, and I would like to congratulate you once again and wish you all the very best for your journey ahead.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot.